Videos on how I repaired the Holley Mid-Rise, this tab that goes to the power steering, holds the power steering pump on the mid-mount, broke off. Probably as soon as I bolted it on, I don't know, but I took it off and it was broke off. I made a video about it. So what I did is I made a piece like this right here, and it's gonna go right there, and it'll have a couple of taper head screws that will hold it in place and fix the problem. So there we go. So that's what I did. Just made it out of some CNC'd it out with some cardboard and cutters. So there we go. So that's my template. Of course, it changed a little from the template, always does. Alright, thanks for watching.